Good evening, all. Audio, video clear. Welcome, all of you. So, welcome back to the rapid fire lecture series. This is a lecture series where we are discussing 10 questions every day for your practice of the upcoming CSIR-NET exam. Please take 1 minute to share this link to maximum people. Let more people be part of this session. A free session for all CSIR-NET aspirant, whether you are mathematical science, physical science, chemical science, life science, or earth science. This session is equally useful for you. So please share it among your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, or your friends who are preparing for CSIR-NET. By the time more people join, I will let you know about the other resources that you can be part of. My name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakh CSIR-NET aspirants in the last 11 years. And I was part of different premium platforms for competitive exams. And this is the bestseller book I have written for CSIR-NET General Aptitude, which is available in Amazon and Flipkart. And if you want to be part of our free resources, you can be part of these free resources. The links description may be here. Wo click karke you can join these links. And welcome all of you. Rajesh is asking, can we do it repeatedly with 1 day gap? Yeah, this in 1 day gap we are conducting the series, Rajesh. Last to last day we had, 2 days before also we had. Daily, actually, due to some time constraint, I'm not able to. But let me see, if possible, we will make it daily. If the number of students who are attending classes are increased, we will definitely consider it. That is what I can say, because time constraint to hai, but I will try my maximum. That is what I can say. Angel of Shiva will try, as I mentioned. I will try. Rakhi, welcome back. Okay, so let's start. And those of you want a proper systematic learning experience for general aptitude, especially if you are preparing for December exam का live complete course शुरू किया है 3 days back, 7th July से, and next week also we are starting a batch, so you can enroll now to get the early bird price and attend the new batch starting next week. So it's a more systematic course for CSIR-NET general aptitude section, where live classes है, recordings है, weekly test है, mock test है, study materials है, doubt sessions है, 3 classes per week, 3 days for practice, and Sundays for test. That way we are structuring the course. And this is the most latest course. July exam के बाद July exam का questions भी होगा. Latest PYQs, detailed theory, everything is included as part of this course. So link is there in the description of the video, or download our mobile app or visit our website christyclasses.in to enroll for the course. So let's start. Let's start with this question. Try this question. Says live class students are less. Hope all of you have shared the link with your friends. If not, please share it now. Let more people be part of this session. Compared to last class today, less number students. Why? Rakhi will check. Ranjan, actually time is the constraint of updation of book. Currently the book that is available in Amazon and Flipkart is the latest version. We are working on the updation, but it is taking time. Try kariye your question. Okay, some of you got an answer. Classes A and B have equal strengths. These kinds of data, if you want, tabulating the data will give you a clarity. Though variables hai na, what are the variables? The gender of the people. So boys and girls. So gender I am putting in one dimension. So boys girls वो दोनों ऐड किया तो total मिलेगा. Then the food preference, vegetarian or non-vegetarian, total. A and B have equal strengths. So yeah, actually there are two classes also. So representing will be you need to represent it separately. So total boys in A equal strength. So let A have 100 people. A have 100 people. This is A, and B have 100 people. In that A and B have equal strengths and equal number of boys and girls. Matlab 50 boys and 50 girls. 50 boys and, so I will write 50 boys, 50 boys, 50 girls, 50 girls. This is just to make you understand I am writing this. The total A and B में 100 students है. All students from A are vegetarian. A में सारा students vegetarians है. So A 100 students, all of them are vegetarians, so 0 are non-vegetarian. 0 are non-vegetarian. What about B? B, some students from B are vegetarian. Some students means at least one are vegetarian. Not all of them are vegetarian. Some are vegetarian. For example, vegetarians say it be 10 and non-vegetarians be 90. Just to give you an idea. Which of the following is definitely false? Definitely false means हमेशा false होना चाहिए. हमेशा false होना चाहिए. So, these kinds of question, you have to think the opposite of it. Like all boys are vegetarian. हमेशा false means, can you get a situation where this can be true? All boys being vegetarians. All boys being vegetarians, is it possible? Yes, possible है क्योंकि क्लास ए में क्लास ए में तो सारा स्टूडेंट्स वेजिटेरियंस है, तो उसमें बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स दोनों वेजिटेरियंस है. सो क्लास ए वाला बॉयज नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, डेफिनेटली दे विल बी वेजिटेरियंस. जस्ट अ मिनट. तो क्लास ए में देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन. क्लास बी में कैन ऑल बॉयज बी वेजिटेरियंस? Yes, not a problem. Some girls are some. Okay, yeah, that is where you have to understand the word some. Some does not means minority or majority. It can be any number. Any number above 0 can be some. So some students from B are vegetarian means it can be that 50 students. It can be that 50 boys students who are vegetarians. वो तो possible है ना? Impossible नहीं है. So A में 50 boys vegetarian, B में 50 boys vegetarian, ये situation में all 100 boys will be vegetarians. वो तो possible है ना? So definitely false पूछा तो option A या option 1 definitely false नहीं है. Sometimes false हो सकता है, but sometimes true भी हो सकता है. Same logic for all girls are vegetarian. Class A में all girls are already vegetarians. Class B में, yeah, as it is mentioned, some students are vegetarians. वो some students girls हो सकता है, that can include all the girls also. वो भी एक reality है ना, तो ये भी possible है. Always false नहीं है, so second option also wrong. Majority of the students are vegetarian. Majority are vegetarian. हाँ वो भी possible है ना. So majority vegetarian क्यों possible है? Because already class A में all of them are vegetarians. 100 students, 100 है तो class B में 100 students है, उसमें confirm one student at least vegetarian है, because some students are vegetarian is mentioned. So 100 plus 1 101, that itself is a majority. क्योंकि total कितना students assume किया है? 100 plus 100 200 students. 100 plus 100 200 students. So confirm 101 or more students are vegetarian in all situations. So definitely false नहीं, ये definitely true है. हाँ, ये definitely true है, तो ये option for definitely false होना ही चाहिए ना, because majority vegetarian है तो majority non vegetarian नहीं हो सकता. क्यों majority non vegetarian नहीं हो सकता? Whatever be the situation, majority non vegetarian नहीं हो सकता, because class A में आधा students है वो तो vegetarians है. Class A वाला सारा students already vegetarians. So class B students, one student at least is vegetarian. That means non-vegetarians will be less than 100 if 100 is the total number. That means class B में maximum 99 out of 100, class A में 0 out of 100. So 99 out of 200 is not a majority. Majority means more than half. So more than half होना impossible है for non-vegetarians. That is why fourth option is the correct answer. Beautiful question, na? It's more about understanding the meaning of the question. So fourth option is the correct answer. Please respond. All of you understood? I told you in this course, this is a rapid fire series to help you out for the upcoming exam. So all levels of question, easy, moderate, difficult, all type of questions we are planning to discuss in the same class. So respond. If you are feeling this session is useful, do hit the like button. That is a minimum you can do. Exactly, Rakhi, you have explained it correctly. Exactly, Kamaljeet. If it was necessarily true, third option is the correct answer. Yes, Avinish, beautiful question it was. Yes, all of you are welcome to explain your solution in the chat. That will help others also. Seating arrangement problem. Okay, some of you got it. Among four playing cards. Playing cards, in the probability chapter, we discussed about playing cards theory. Four suits of cards are there, na? Spades, hearts, diamonds, clubs, 13 each. And these are the 13 card names. Due to lack of time, I'm not elaborating. A heart is to the immediate left of spade. The heart and spade are two suits. You should know that. The heart, immediate left means left neighbor. There should not be anyone in between them. Like this. And 9 is the number. So 9 may be this card or this card, we don't know, maybe some other card, but 9 is the number of the card. 9 is to the left of J. J means Jack. So 9 left of J means it may not be immediate left, it can be anywhere left, like 9J or 9 1% J, 9 another 2J, because total 4 playing cards are there, na? So keep that in mind. A diamond is to the right of heart. Diamond right of heart means heart and spade, they should be neighbors. So one possibility is diamond is to the right of the heart. To the right of a heart. The diamond, for example, I'm just trying it out. Okay. 9 is to the left of, diamond is to the immediate left of spade. Heart is immediate left of the right. Yeah, heart we already placed. So diamond is to the right of heart means, so it can be like this. It is not mentioned immediate right. So it can be somewhere right. So heart, spade, diamond, this is a possibility. Or in between that someone else can also be there. 7 is the leftmost card. 7 is the leftmost card. So out of number, 7 is the leftmost. So we will draw this 2 separately first. 7 leftmost. Then there are 3 more places. And a club is the rightmost card. So club is the rightmost card. This is also mentioned. So definitely suits should be arranged this way. Heart ke baad spade, spade ke baad diamond, diamond ke baad club. According to the data, this is the only possible arrangement. क्योंकि heart uska right hona chahiye spade because of this sentence, and diamond should be to the right of the heart. Right of the heart means it should be, it cannot be here. It cannot be here because club should be in the rightmost, should be the rightmost card. So diamond can be here only. Now connect with the number. So clearly 7 is the leftmost card means 7 should be hearts. 7 should be hearts, no doubt at all. So option 2 is eliminated because 9 cannot be hearts. Now what else is mentioned about the number? 9 is to the left of J. So 9 left of J, and one more sentence, and 8 is to the left of A, left of 9. So 9 can be here. So that 9 is to the left of J is also satisfied. 8 is to the left of 9 is also satisfied. So this is a complete arrangement. So what should be 9? 9 should be diamond. So third option is the answer. Little tricky. This is who is who type of problem. In reasoning chapter, who is a type of problem that is commonly asked. This is one such question. सबको clear है ना? This is another version of it. For practice, try this also. Little more easier. Answers. Any answers? Okay, I'll explain. Listen. So joker is the word and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the numbers. So what is definite? Let us start with that. K is 1. So write K is equal to 1. Now about R we have more information. R is none of 2, 3, 4. And R cannot be 1 also. That means R cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4. So R should be 5. R should be 5. Did you all understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there is only 3 numbers remaining. Like a detective solving a crime, you have to do this. Take the clues, match it properly. So 1 and 5 is already fixed. 1 and 5 is already fixed. So E is either 4 or 5. 4 हो सकता है या 5 हो सकता है. 5 already taken. So E can only be 4. समझ में आ रहा है ना? E is either 4 or 5. नाउ देखिए j is an odd number, j even number नहीं हो सकता, j odd number होना चाहिए. 2 is an even number, so even number नहीं हो सकता, so odd number means j is 3. Now remaining letter should be 2 ना. हाँ, j कौन सा number है, that is a question. What is j? j is 3, so option 2 is the correct answer. सबको clear है ना? Very simple if you use the right method. This was asked in the last CSIR-NET exam, February 2025. So one more such reasoning question where you have to match people with the game they are playing. Yes, Rakhi. Previous one was trickier, but the question we discussed now was easier. Your understanding, please mention in the chat, and those of you are watching this recording, please take your time to comment on this video. The same type question was asked in 2020 also. 5 फरवरी में रिपीट किया सेम. Okay, I'll explain. Betty, Helen, Samantha, Valerie, if you look at them, their first letters are different. B, H, S, V. And there are 4 games or 4 sports. Their first letters are also B, H, S, V. But no one plays a game with the same initial as a name. Matlab Betty cannot play basketball, Helen cannot play hockey, Samantha cannot play soccer, and Valerie cannot play volleyball. Now more conditions are given. Valerie play basketball. Valerie basketball. V. This is name. This is sports. Valerie basketball. Helen does not play soccer. Now this is where you have to do it properly. Helen does not play soccer. Helen cannot play hockey also because first letter is matching. Helen cannot play basketball also because basketball is already taken by Valerie. So Helen can only play the remaining option. Which is the remaining option? So SBH is gone. SBH is gone means only V is remaining. So Helen can only play volleyball. So basketball is played by Valerie. Helen plays volleyball. So now what else? We can match the other 2 people also. Betty and Samantha also. Betty cannot play or Samantha cannot play S starting soccer. Samantha cannot play basketball, cannot play volleyball. So Samantha can only play hockey. So Betty can only play the remaining sport, which is soccer. So we already matched every 4 people. Just take which option is saying correctly. Helen play basketball, Helen play volleyball. So galat hai. Betty play soccer, Betty play soccer, correct. So second option is the correct answer. सबको clear है ना? Please respond. Today we are discussing more reasoning questions because last 2 classes we discussed quantitative aptitude more questions. So this kind of question, I think in the last to last rapid fire also I have shown you one example. Let me see if all of you are able to understand this. This is a favorite question of CSIR. For the last 4 years they are asking. Try this. Okay, some of you are confused, so I will explain. Some of you got it. Choose the option to fill in the blank that make the following statement logically correct. Statement logically correct होना चाहिए. So what is a statement? The correct count of the number of occurrences of the letter E in this sentences. So the statement is telling about how many times the letter E is occurring in the sentence. So if you count it, let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if you found 13 as the answer, 13 option में blank में enter करना है ना, मतलब 13 will be part of the sentence or part of the statement. Now 13 as it is part of the statement, 13 का 2 is add किया तो 15 is हो जाएगा. मतलब statement is contradicting itself, then it will not be logically correct. This is the idea. For the new students I am explaining. This I have explained n number of times in my previous YouTube videos. Even last exam के पहले भी ये question practice करने के लिए मैंने बोला था rapid fire lecture में ही. Some people learned it and they could easily solve it in the exam. Some people didn't attended the rapid fire and they could not understand this logic when they were seeing for the first time. So 13 enter किया तो 13 क्वेश्चन को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करेगा या स्टेटमेंट को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करेगा, इसलिए 13 आंसर नहीं है. सम ऑफ यू गॉट 13 ना. होप यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाई 13 इज रॉन्ग. नाउ 13 रॉन्ग है तो 14 करेक्ट होगा. नो 14 का 2 इज के वजह से 14 ऑल्सो विल गिव यू 15 एज द आंसर. तो ये भी गलत है. हाँ 15 में 2 इज है एंड 15 एंटर किया तो 15 का 2 इज ऑल्सो काउंटेड. That is the 14th one and 15th E. So that will not make the statement logically wrong. So option 4 is the correct answer. Angel of Shiva is saying दोबारा पूछिए, अब बताएंगे. या दोबारा पूछ रहा है एंजल. ट्राई द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछा है CSIR में. ऑल दीस आर CSIR-NET PYQs. मल्टीपल सब्जेक्ट का एप्टीट्यूड पेपर में ये सेम टाइप क्वेश्चन पूछा था. So let me see whether you all understood the previous question. Correctly answer this question, all of you. तो करिए. Total around 8 times the same question was asked in CSIR-NET. 8 times. For the new students, once again I'm telling, if you want practice of CSIR-NET, please watch previous, please try previous year questions. Your channel में ही I have given many playlists on previous year questions. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, check those playlists. You can access all those videos for free. Very good. Many of you got it right and very fast. Taki, previous question. Okay, after this question I will show that. So logically correct होना चाहिए statement. Number of occurrence of the letter N in the sentence is correctly counted as. So N का number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's kind of an eye test also. In exam hall, there is chances that in panic we may miscount a letter also or miss a letter. So 7 enter किया तो problem क्या है? 7 का letter N will make it 8. That will make the statement logically incorrect ना, क्योंकि वो word 7 also is part of the sentence now. So 7 का N भी count करना पड़ेगा. So clearly option 2 गलत है. Then you may say 8 है ना, 8 एंटर किया तो वो भी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा. या दैट इज अ ट्विस्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. 8 में n नहीं है टू मेक इट 8. नाउ देयर इज ओनली 7. 7 है तो 8, 8 है तो 7. ये क्या है? तो या 8 also is wrong. Go for 9. 9 में 2 n's are there na. So this is the 8th 9 and this is the 9th 9. 9 9 matches. So the statement is logically correct. So fourth option is the correct answer. All of you understood? Some of you still are getting 7 as the answer. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Previous question, this question was the same logic. Vanshika's timing of the live classes will be 5:30 p.m. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, then YouTube will remind you when the lecture starts. So try the next question. If any of your friends miss this live class, share this recording to them. The recording will be available so that they can watch it. Yes, Angel of Shiva, something or the other they will add or tweak it so that there will be something extra. Otherwise, it will be like copy paste question. No? Sometimes copy paste also have happened, but sometimes they have done like little twist and turns in the question type. Good point, Raki. Seating arrangement type question this is. Okay, Vanshika. Vanshika, in the description of the video, you can find the link to our Telegram group and WhatsApp group. There we update. Whenever there is a live lecture, we update it prior to that, like 1 hour or 2 hours before. We update that the lecture is there or it is scheduled. And all other free resources also you can find it there. So all of you who want to get the updates of the upcoming rapid fire lecture, and yeah, there are many more lectures we are planning for July exam, the upcoming days. So that can help you out as much as possible. So stay tuned to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss anything. In the channels, we conduct other initiatives like quiz of the day, word of the day, etc. Exactly, Angel of Shiva. Similar to one of the previous question we discussed today, na? Okay, listen. Frank, Sam, Tom, and David came first, second, third, and fourth in a race, but not necessarily in that order. The first, second, third, fourth means 1, 2, 3, 4. But alphabetically, first ka first letter F, fourth ka first letter F. Keep that in mind. And Frank ka first letter F. Sam ka first letter S. Second ka first letter S. Tom ka T. And third ka T. So David ka first letter D, that is not matching with any other number because that is mentioned. Only one had the first letter of his position matching the first letter of his name. Only one. So if it is it can be Frank, it can be Sam, it can be Tom, it can be David, but it is mentioned that Tom came first. First is Tom, that is for sure. Sam did not come second means Sam is not here. Sam should be either here or here. Sam third hai to his first letters are not matching. Sam fourth hai to bhi first letters are not matching. So let us check. We will write Sam being third as one reality, Sam being fourth as second reality. Abhi do realities hai. Now we have to match with this condition. Only one had the first letter of his position matching with the first letter of his name. So for example, if you are placing Sam here, this is how to proceed. Listen carefully. If you are placing Sam here, 2 and 4, what should be there? Let us check. Who all are remaining? Frank and David. So Frank being here, David being here. So iska first letter F, iska second, first, second, third and fourth. So F and D, T and S, S and F, F and T, no first letters are matching. That is a problem, na? That is a problem. Now you may say, why can't we put D here or David here and Frank here? Then first letters are matching. So this is a valid arrangement. This is a valid arrangement. All of you are understanding? Frank being, or first is Tom, second is David, third is Sam, and fourth is Frank. In that case, all the conditions in the question are satisfied. Let us check the second reality whether you can satisfy the conditions or not. Tom being first and Sam being fourth. In this case, second and third, who else are remaining? Tom and Sam done. Now Frank and David are there. So Frank being here, David being here. First letters are not matching. David being here, Frank being here. Still no first letters matching. One first letter should match. So this reality cannot work. So we understood that the only possible reality is first should be Tom because question says so. Third should be Sam because fourth being Sam will give you a contradiction as I mentioned. Second should be David. And fourth should be Frank. So that fourth Frank first letters matches. So all conditions are satisfied. Did you all understood this? Now check whichever option is saying so. David came third. No. Sam came third. Frank came fourth. Yes. Second option is the correct answer. Yeah, there are better ways to analyze this, but I am trying to explain it in as simple way as possible in exam hall. What will work? That is what I am telling you. First, write what is there in the question directly given. Tom came first. That is a given EC data given. Now another information is Sam did not come second. So Sam can come third or fourth. So वो दो reality split करके analyze करिए. Which cases you can satisfy this remaining one condition. तो ऐसा सारा कंडीशन का satisfy करने वाला ऑप्शन सही होगा. So that is only this option. So second option the correct answer. Clear? Then try this question. Arithmetic mean का question है. New students, if you want to attempt mock test, we have a mock test course in our mobile app, Christy's classes. Download our mobile app. There you can find that 10 mock test and video solutions are part of that course. Okay, some of you got it. The average of 7 numbers. Average means sum of observation divided by number of observation. Sum of 7 numbers divided by 7 is equal to 71. Or sum of observation is actually, sum of observation is 7 times 71 we can say from this sentence. If we exclude one of these numbers, average becomes 75. Exclude one number from the sum. So from the sum also that number is excluded now. So let x be that number. So that will be either 75 or 74 or 73 or 47. then the average becomes, so if you exclude one number, 7 numbers become 6 numbers, so divided by 6 only, so the new average becomes 75. So this is the mathematical equation or algebraic equation. Cross multiply kariye, simplify kariye, answer milega. But this is not how I recommend you to do this. This is a normal way. You can go for it, you will get answer. But you will at least waste 30 seconds to 1 minute. What I will suggest you is, if you have attended my classes on arithmetic mean, especially the previous YouTube videos, if you watch also, you may know the concept of deviation. If you know the concept of deviation properly, it is very simple. Here the options are also supporting you to answer it very fast. ये देखिए, 1 नंबर का एक्सक्लूशन के वजह से एवरेज में 4 वैल्यू का इंक्रीज हुआ. एवरेज में 4 वैल्यूज मीन्स all the remaining 6 observation got added by 4, we can say. So all 6 numbers got increased by 4 means total 6 into 4 24 का increase हुआ है. 24 का increase हुआ है मतलब that number that you excluded was so less a number compared to the original average 71. If you are not understanding this concept properly, for example, in your semester exam, you had total, think about your M.Sc or your degree. Think that total number of papers in all semesters together, it was 25 papers. 25 papers mein one paper mein you got, think that it is out of 10 you got, or out of 100, one paper 82, one paper 81, one paper 89, all were in 80s, and one paper you had only 58 marks. So if think that the university have given you a choice that one of the marks, all the marks were above 80 except one mark you can remove so that your average increases. Which mark you will reduce? Which mark you will remove? Delete this mark now, because this is the reason that your overall average was less than what you expected or less than what you have already scored for other papers. Same way, there was a number among these 7 numbers which is so small compared to 71 or 75 that the overall average was becoming less because of that number. वो number को remove किया है, that is the reason why 71 drastically increased to 75. तो ये तीनों नंबर 71 75 का रेंज में ही है. तो ये 3 नंबर को डिलीट किया तो कंफर्म you cannot increase the average this much. Are you understanding this point? So the only option that is possible is 47. This logical idea, are you understanding? If not, please check out my lectures on arithmetic mean, you will understand it better. It totally depends upon this idea of deviation. Sum of deviation from arithmetic mean is 0 for all set of all data. So that was the idea. Now this kind of question in 2025 February, in multiple papers, this type of question was asked. Chronological order type question. Angel of Shiva, if 47 and 36 means, yeah, actually the 4 options, one of the option was obvious, that is why we didn't discuss more. If it is 36, you have to calculate it logically. Now I told you now, total 24 का difference create करना है. 71 से 24 subtract किया तो 47 ही मिलेगा, 37 थोड़ा मिलेगा ना. Are you understanding? I didn't emphasize that point because that 4 options were so silly options. 47 is the obvious choice. 47 के अलावा और भी small values है तो check which value give you 24 less than the 71. From where 24 came? Because 6 observation 4 reduced. Sorry. Yeah, 6 observation 4 reduced. 6 into 4 24. 71 minus 24 is 47. That needs more thorough explanation on with respect to arithmetic mean. That's why I'm not getting more deeper into it. As I mentioned in the first lecture of rapid fire is to practice more questions in less time, not to give complete theory of the topics, because then the 10 questions cannot be completed. Okay, first option is the correct answer. Many of you got it. Arrange it. If you feel it is taking time, option by option analyze करिए. C, A, B, D correct है या नहीं? टॉस के बाद मैच के बाद रिजल्ट के बाद ट्रॉफी ना. So C, A, B, D is the correct answer. That is a chronological order. Now what happens after what? That is what is asked. Very simple. So next question, algebra का question था. कोई करिए ये question. Okay, some of you got it. So a water bottle costs rupees 20, which includes the cost of the bottle. 20 is the cost. Water and bottle together cost is 20. If the water costs 15 more than the bottle, what is the cost of the bottle? The cost of the bottle is our required unknown X. Cost of the bottle is the required unknown X. Now this sentence says if the water costs 15 more than the bottle means water ka cost. If bottle cost X, water will cost how much? 15 more than X. So X plus 15. ये दोनों ऐड किया तो क्या मिलना चाहिए? 20. So that is the data. X plus 15 is equal to 20. The 2x is equal to 20. 15 subtracted from 25. 2x is 5 means x is 5 by 2, 2.5. That is why first option is the correct answer. This question, there are chances that if you don't understand the data properly, you may get a wrong understanding of the question and a wrong answer. Like when you see 15 and 20, you will feel like, why can't it be 5 and 15? 5 and 15 does not satisfy this condition. If the water costs 15 more than bottle, because 15 is not 15 more than 5. That's why. All of you understood why first option is the correct answer. So that was the 10 question. Hope all of you understood these. So if you felt the session was useful, please hit the like button and take your time to comment something on under the comments, because that will motivate us also, and that will make YouTube understand that people have felt that the video is good, and YouTube will recommend it to more people. So that's how you can support these initiatives. If you are not able to share it to anyone also, at least comment on this video. And once again, if any of you are planning for December CSIR-NET exam, we have started the new batch, and multiple new batches will be starting in the upcoming weeks also. So if you join the course, you are given access to the any batch that is launching in the upcoming months also. So there is no confusion. Link in the description of the video. You can enroll and join the upcoming week batch or upcoming month batch also. It's like a cycle we will be continuing. So Mohammed, that we will discuss in the next class. Tomorrow we will discuss that. So stay tuned. We will discuss more questions in the upcoming days. Don't worry. So this course, as I told, it's a more systematic course. इसमें 3 days classes होगा, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. 3 days practice hoga, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And Sunday mein, the topics that we have taken for 3 days, uske based questions, uske based weekly test hoga. So that 3 topics are completely understood. And uske baad, complete topics के बाद 10 mock tests भी होगा and regular interval में doubt clearing sessions भी होगा. And study materials, you will get class notes also, you will get topic wise PYQs, practice questions also, and latest PYQs का solution भी इसमें included है. That means July exam के बाद July exam का PYQs का भी solution होगा. So early bird price is applicable now, so use this special offer price to enroll for the course. If you are planning to attend it from next month also, subscribe now to get this early bird price. If there is any confusion, you can contact us at this number. This is where you can attend the class in your mobile app, Christy's Classes, in the website christysclasses.in. If you're attending in laptop, one mobile, one laptop, you can access the course. Yes, QR code scan kiya to bhi you can access the course and you can purchase the course. So if there is any other doubts, you can ask now. Otherwise, let us conclude for today. Thank you, Nasma. Thank you, Kamaljeet. Thank you for the good words. Thank you, Angel of Shiva. So that's it. See you all on the next class. Let me see if possible. Tomorrow we will take up a class. Otherwise, next day after tomorrow. Practice worksheet you can download and print, Rakhi. Practice worksheets have those questions in class notes also. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good night. See you all on the next class.